Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a night point of view drive with the new Renault Clio that has just been launched on the Croatian market. So in front of us you can see the beautiful spec. This is the new trim that is available called Esprit Alpine, and on the front you can spot the new face. Look at those new daytime running LEDs. How gorgeous is that? And actually they look like half of the new Renault badge, so that is really cool detail. The real air inlets, then the new LED lights nicely integrated into this new grille. Now on the Esprit Alpine on the front you can spot also the matte silver finish on this section and very pronounced front bumper. I can turn on the lights here on the key. This is the key, the well-known Renault key like the card. And moving on to the side, you can spot the beautiful 17-inch wheels on this trim. They have this special cover here with the blue detail and the new Renault badge. And then you see also the dimension 205/45 R17 dual tone, Esprit Alpine lettering on the side. 7 colors are available for the new Renault Clio. This is the iron blue, looking gorgeous in my opinion, makes the car stand out so much. From the rear, the new thing are the taillights, for example. You can spot, I will actually turn off the lights now. So you can spot the crystal clear covers, and also you can spot the new badge, gloss black Clio lettering. This is the hybrid model, E-TECH hybrid. More details about the powertrain and the other options a bit later on. You see also the new styling for the rear bumper with some beautiful details making it more pronounced, and you see also the matte finish on the lower section in here. So there we go. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like the design? Turn on the lights once again, and gorgeous lighting signature for those lights. In order to open the tailgate, press this. It opens here, and depending on the version that you get, so depending on the powertrain, you get different amount of liters in the trunk. I will put all the details in the description regarding the specifications and the trunk space, so you can check it out. And now we are ready to go on a night point of view drive. The car locks itself when you go away, but then when you come close, it unlocks. And we are ready to go on a nice, relaxed night point of view drive. This is your view as a driver. Some nice welcome screens. You can put the key in this special slot. Press the start button and the car comes to life. Put the seatbelt on and look at the beautiful blue stitching on the edges. This is the gear lever for the multimode automatic transmission, electronic parking brake, and put it to drive, and we are ready to go. Starting with electric power. So this is a hybrid model, 145 horsepower full hybrid. And let's talk about the specification of this powertrain. So it's got the 1.6 liter petrol unit and 2 electric motors, as well as the 1.2 kilowatt-hour battery, and the system is paired with this multi-mode automatic transmission, and the drive itself is very smooth. So when I say full hybrid, so this is not a plug-in hybrid. You don't need to charge it. The car charges itself, and the drive itself is very smooth. Up to 80% can be done in electric mode in some ideal conditions. And if you do a lot of city driving, you will see how nice this is now during our night point of view drive in the city. Now there are also other powertrain options, really a lot of them when we talk about this car. So you can go for the base one, which is the naturally aspirated 65 horsepower petrol unit. Then you have also the turbocharged petrol, 90 horsepower, LPG version with 100 horsepower, or you can go for the diesel and then this hybrid. So a lot of options. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice of powertrain for the new Renault Clio. And now let's mention the layout that we see here in front of us. The new Renault badge on the steering wheel, digital cockpit. This is the 10-inch digital cockpit, and the 7-inch one is standard on all models. And then this is for higher trims. This is the Esprit Alpine trim, so this is the top of the line model. Here you see the 9.2-inch touchscreen, and I think this really looks amazing. We can now go. I'm not sure if this guy is also trying to go right. No, he's going left, so we can go now. There we go. And the drive is so smooth. And this car has got different driving modes. You can access them by pressing this button here. So the My Sense, Sport, and Eco. You can also spot that the ambient lights change the color when you do that, and also the digital cockpit is different depending on the driving mode that you are in. You can also customize that. For example, here are the options for the ambient lights. So you see various options are available. My favorite is the blue one, and let's put this here. So you can adjust the ambient lights and other things as well, steering, cluster, and the lighting as well. And while we are stationary, let me also show you this, the 3D shape of the buildings on the map. So National Theatre on our right, and you can spot it here as well. Now, one thing that I really love is that the AC is on switches, so this is nice and easy, and also looks very nice, looks good, and the switches are very well built. Now here you can also have this power flow, so you see which part of powertrain is doing its job and what is happening. And also you can have different things here in front of you, including this navigation view, the map view, which can be very useful, especially during the road trips to unknown cities. Very pronounced sound of the indicator. You can actually change the volume. This is now set to maximum. This car has up to 20 driver assist systems. You see the blind spot assist, then when you turn on the indicator, it will start flashing to warn you that there's a car in your blind spot. And you may notice also that here we have the B mode. When you put it to B mode, then you have maximum recuperation, but this is good, for example, for the driving on the descent. So when you are on the downhill section, you can turn on the B mode. And in sport mode, of course, you have the best throttle response. And you can hear the engine doing the job as well when you push the throttle. Love this view of the Clio on the racetrack. And eco mode for maximum efficiency. And the changing of the driving modes can be done just by pressing this button, so you don't need to touch the screen itself. Now the B mode, see the car is slowing down, I'm not touching the brake. And tell me in the comments, are you enjoying the drive itself? How do you like the facelifted Renault Clio? How do you like this interior layout? And the Esprit Alpine also has these special seats. You can check my first look video with the details during the day. So there you will be able to see both exterior and interior during the day, looking gorgeous, especially in this color combination. And quick stop here just to show you how you can edit the cluster settings here, for example. So eco would be here. Comfort, you can see the look of the layout as well here on the main touchscreen. Regular, the standard dials, and the sport one with this one dial, and then you have different things on your left and on your right depending on the selection that you have. Lighting, once again the ambient lights, and yeah, steering can be regular, comfort or sport, and the powertrain is regular in the MySense mode, then in sport it is in sport, and then of course eco in eco mode. So yeah, let's continue the drive. If you go to settings, here is where you have the driver assist systems. You can configure them out: following distance, active braking, lane assist, traffic sign, blind spot. So this car really is packed with technology, and once again up to 20 driver assist safety systems. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Tell me in the comments, how do you like the new Renault Clio? And many thanks to Renault Croatia for giving me the car. And as I said, it has just been launched on the Croatian market. Share your thoughts with me. How do you like it? And see you on the next video. Bye bye.